Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 28th, 2023. 3 days to go till the end of this year. A year with a lot of awards. Yeah. Alright, I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it a Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7698. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 21. Should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Well, I don't think it's a 4 stars. We will see. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Same for here, the 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. I see here, this is the next question. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? See here a quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Alright. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra box. Here we have a quadra box with a given number 4, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More. Let me check. Yeah. Alright, and my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the Z or the S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S, in this case it's the S construction. If you rotate this to the right, you will get the S. If you flip that figure or shape, or mirror that shape, you will get the Z. It's the same shape, figure. Alright, when you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also in the S shape, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one S shape. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? We have it here, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shape here. Another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, and this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, I see, yeah, this is the last shape, I believe. Let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This shape, 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there, because if I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution to place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 2, because green 1 should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. Alright, then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and a 4, and this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and a 4, but we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now we have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then let me see. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. It's a 3. Cannot be a 2, so it should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for us. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright, this box gave me a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box gave me a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped quadrat box should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Yeah, double. Should be a 5 then. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Can I finish this? The corner, the left corner. This box, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, well, we have a double 3 there, so I cannot place the 3 here. The 3 is supposed to be there, and the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4, and this box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I marked those 2 boxes with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then let me think. Come on. This should be also 1 and a 2. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 and 1. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers are 3. Yeah, the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes. I dare finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 4 stars. Cannot be a 3 stars. Cannot be a 2 stars. Should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So we'll please read the time. 40 minutes. Alright. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudokus, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 stars Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, medium, the light, the quintuplet, a.k.a. Samwise Sudoku, and also for the killer Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet you again tomorrow on Friday. Yes, almost end of 2023. See you then. Bye bye for now.